In the world of tech, we usually become aware of the enormous players in Silicon Valley, but there's one business based in Europe that has quietly risen to the top. That firm is ASML, and also in this video, we're most likely to explore just how it came to be Europe's a lot of good technology companies. ASML is a Dutch semiconductor firm that focuses on manufacturing lithography equipment. These makers are used to produce complex patterns that are etched onto silicon wafers to make silicon chips. In other words, ASML equipment is a critical element in producing modern technology that powers our contemporary world. So, just how did ASML become Europe's most valuable tech company? Everything started back in the 1980s when a group of researchers at Philips established a brand new sort of lithography equipment. This machine made use of ultraviolet light to engrave smaller as well as much more detailed patterns onto silicon wafers. The group spun off from Philips to form ASML in 1984, and also the company quickly ended up being a major player in the semiconductor industry. ASML's lithography equipment has continued to boost throughout the years, with the business spending heavily in R&D. Today, ASML's newest device, the EUV, Severe Ultraviolet Lithography System, can develop patterns as small as 7 nanometers, allowing for the manufacturing of one of the most innovative integrated circuits. ASML's success can also be credited to its partnerships with significant semiconductor producers such as Intel, Samsung, and TSMC. These companies rely on ASML's lithography equipment to generate the integrated circuits that power their products. However, ASML's rise to the top hasn't lacked obstacles. The business has encountered legal battles with its competitors that have implicated ASML in taking their trade secrets. Furthermore, ASML has needed to browse the facility geopolitical landscape of the semiconductor sector, with stress between the US, as well as China, endangering to disrupt the global supply chain. Regardless of these obstacles, ASML has remained to flourish, with the firm's stock cost reaching record highs in recent times. ASML's success is a testimony to the power of innovation as well as collaboration in the technology sector. And that's a wrap on our video about ASML, Europe's the majority of a valuable tech company. We hope you enjoyed learning about the company's background, principles, and ingenious technology. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see us cover. Thanks for watching.